Hey, welcome to 30-minute trade. Here I recommend the stocks on daily and weekly basis, as well as I do the market analysis. I choose the stock based on the three components. One is the technical and the fundamentals, as well as I do the market sentiment. So based on three factors, I choose best stocks out of my so many developed strategies that I over the time. Uh, so that's what I think. This week I think we have the market is not that great, but we had some good runs, even though market is not acting good. Let's go and analyze what are the stocks that I recommended and how it is performed right now. Before that, I will go to the market, how it is acting in the chart. If you see in Nasdaq Composite, really last 2 days is really selling pressure is high. So we need to see whether it is stabilized here or it will go until it will touch until 50-day average. So until that time, I don't like to initiate any of the positions. If we see positive, some of the stocks, really we need huge volume of stocks is to run at this time. If you go to the spy is also same thing. So a lot of volume came, I think, yesterday Friday. So I'm a little bit cautious here. I don't want to yeah, buy anything at this time. So even if I want to buy, just I do the only little pilot position. That's it, I think. If we go T2108, this one tells the how the market is moving, who is dominating who. So stocks above 40-day, number of stocks above 40-day means is what kind of stocks are moving, basically whether the bullish are dominating or bearish is dominating. So number of stocks is above than the number of stocks above than the whatever the sellers, then I think that's what it tells here. Last few days it is like going downward, so it means that I think market really it's not acting that great. So market is under pressure, so we need to see a couple of days to stabilize here. We need to see real bottom, whether it's a real bottom or not. So until that time only I will initiate the pilot positions. Let's go this week. I think what is the working. So MRSN, I recommended a couple of times during this week. I think if you are on Wednesday, I think you can take the profit. I think it will give the more than 14-15% profit. So still we can expect some kind of range here. Once it confirms the range and market is good, then we can check again. Q is also same thing, similar pattern. So we will see how it is acting. So in next coming 2 to 3 days, it will come to the some kind of a consolidation. We will see. So once it stabilizes, then we can see it. I think it goes more than 20.97, then we can see it. Fate also very good. From the here, I think I gave the couple of recommendations 3 times, I think. So still it is acting very good. Long term chart is really good. We'll see in future. Still it will give you some kind of opportunity to enter again. OYST, I had some position in this one. Still it's good. It's moving positively, so we can take some profit, I think. So we will see next coming days how it is acting. Tesla looks like still it is going until it touches it goes below 10-day average. So we can it will run, the run will happen continuously. So far it is really went to very top. I'm expecting 1000. I don't know whether it will happen or not, but let's see how it works in the next week. We'll see market supports, then it will go. RDNT, still it is in the buy zone. Still it is okay, even though market is not cooperating. Still it is during the range. Viru also I'm just expecting to go beyond this point. Once it goes beyond this point, we can enter if market is good. PTCT, still it is kind of a coming as a consolidation this time, but overall long term chart is really good. So it might be in coming days. I think it is really giving an opportunity to enter again. So we'll see. PRBP, I didn't like this chart at this time because last Friday it didn't give the correct entry point. So I'm better I will avoid this time. This one. ALNY, still in the buy range. Might be it needs more consolidation time. So we will see in the coming week whether it will give any kind of a entry point. CDLX, I think one more down day, I think it's good to buy. You'll see, I think the market is not that great at this time, and also it ran very high. So I don't like this kind of a um, pattern at all, I think. So let's see. Now I think it's better. We can expect some more range here, and that's what I'm seeing here, kind of a range or something like that. So might be it will touch 20-day average. We'll see. The DDD, I didn't like this pattern at this time. So 3 days it is not 3 weeks is like it's still forming the range. We can expect more range here at this time. It is not right. It is not trying to go up at this time. That's what I'm saying. Team is also really, the chart pattern really broke out. So might be I didn't like this chart at all at this time. Perry still it is consolidating. We'll see how it goes. I don't know at this time. This one is really, once it goes below 28-day average, then I will sell it immediately. So no matter what. VICR, yeah, it's really bad day on Friday, so I recommend not to initiate any of the position. Or if you want to buy anything, don't buy anything on these Thursdays and Fridays. Mostly those are the days I think most of the investors will sell partial. Selling happens. So once selling happens, it is really like this. Ticker will go like this. So you get huge losses. So I don't recommend those kind of things. So these are the couple of stocks that I recommended last week. Last week is really less stocks that I recommended because market is not at all cooperating. So we'll see how market is working in the next week. So far, it's a market is under pressure. So I don't see, if I see any positive volume on the market, then I will initiate it. Right now, I don't have any much stocks. Okay, so some more caution is that don't take more than 5% loss if anything happens. Uh, your portfolio will get the huge losses if market is in downtrend. Okay, and don't buy anything before earnings. So because it's not all earnings are not good this time. Okay, see you then. Happy trading, and if you like this one, please subscribe it, and you will get an opportunity to get the videos every day. And also, uh, okay, that's it. I think. Thank you.